tomorrow we'll pop another bottle. Okay. You understand? Because tomorrow all the Onowu. Yeah, all my Onowu they'll come tomorrow. We get meeting with all the Onowu. Each year, big belly chief priest. Kubana chief priest will be there. Okay. I will call Ezekefino. Okay. Ezekefino will be there. Bonner Boy is also Odogu. Odogu Bonner will be there. Which other person am I going to call? Let's talk about the respectable Igbo men in the communities. Yeah. We are talking about Ato Ezi. Yeah. He'll be there in my meeting. Yes. Cosmos Maduka. Charis Motors. He'll be there in my meeting. Yeah. Innocent Motors. Innocent Motors will be there. Yeah. He'll be there. He'll sit down there in my meeting. It's not my council of elders. After all, they are my elders. Emeka of 4. Emeka of 4 will be there. Emeka of 4 will be there. We'll put Emeka of 4 there. Out of the council of elders. Because they are senior elders. These are original billionaires. Yeah. Now, people that we claim. B-Lord. But the problem is if B-Lord comes here and come and claim, he can steal from Emeka of 4. If they leave their bag. You know he's a thief. He's a fraudster. That is why you cannot see him and the likes of Emeka of 4. Yeah. Because these are like big businessmen. Yes. You know? These are real businessmen. These are the people that we respect. Yes. And call Igbo men. It's honor. We are talking about Ato Ezi. Yes. Onyego. 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 It's not even Onyego. Should I tell you the truth? Okay. Ato Ezi Buego. B-Lord Linus, Bufrosta, Anumpa, Otto, Amo, Igbo, Otto Narasa. But don't worry, I will come back to this live very soon. I'm busy now, my Onowos are coming. Yes. Prepare 15 virgins for them. Okay. Don't go and look for virgins in Lagos, you will not see you. If you are looking for virgins, I know where you will go to. You can't get virgins in Lagos or in Port Harcourt or in Anambra. Don't go to Benin, you will not even see any virgin at all. You know where you go and find virgins from? I don't know. Huh? You know where? Yeah. In the hospital, inside the mama belly, because that's the only way virgin is now. Virgin no day now.